Let's go around back. Colty, what do you think of your flashlight?
It's so cool.
You like it?
It can even check if any monsters are here or not.
There's a snake in front of you over here.
I think there's not.
You're good, Fernie, go on. I'm scared there's gonna be a snake jumping out.
Which one do you have, Lizzie?
A cat.
A meerkat, huh?
I have a koala.
You do have a koala. Come on,
Sorry, let you ask white.
let's
So
go.
if there's a snake or not. That's all.
That's fine. Is it the same snake or I told that?
Keep going.
Or if it's a spider, I'm definitely not doing this.
All right, now switch the mode. Let's put it on lantern mode. Oh, check that out. Hold it by the handle. What's that? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Do you like...
When I fart, that means I'm scared.
All right, Colty's going to show us his light. He's got a little koala bear. The eyeballs are a spotlight, like a flashlight, but then the tummy turns into a lantern or a floodlight. You ready? You want to turn it on for everyone?
Yeah.
Let's see. Just one finger. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness. Shine it over there so we can see how bright it is. Your light is so bright, dude. All right, you want to show us the lantern? Oh, and look, his little belly lit up. Turn around so I can see it. Is that so cool?
Yeah. I like the eye mode better.
You like the eyes mode? You like when they're lit up?
Yeah. I'm trying to put the eyes on.
You just gotta push in the center of the button. You can do it. See? Easy peasy.
I'm gonna go around there again.
I'm not.
You do.
Okay, watch out if any spiders come out.
All right, let's see which one you have, Lizzie. Lizzie has the meerkat
What was that
with his
knocking?
light up eyes, which are the spotlight. Let's light the belly up.
What was that knocking?
Oh, it wasn't.
And there's the super bright belly for a nice floodlight or lantern. These lights are super bright and they're fun. What do you think, Lizzie?
It would be really good for camping.
Yeah, camping? Colty, what do you want to use your light for?
I want to use my light for if it's so really dark, I can turn it on.
Oh, so you want to keep it in your room at night?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so that was our little adventure with these cool little camping lights / lanterns. It's a 2-in-1. How fun is that? As you can tell that the kids really enjoyed them. Colty liked the security that it gave him to have his own light. So that's a good plus if you're going camping. Get one of these for your little one so they feel nice, safe, and secure. But what I want to do is I'm going to point the camera down real quick for a second and give you a closer look at these so you can see exactly what you're going to be getting. All right, so here they are. They come in 2 different styles. You don't get 2. You have to pick either between the koala bear or the meerkat. You can see that the spotlight are the eyeballs, and if I turn that on, I'm going to kind of angle it so it don't go straight into the camera. You saw how bright these were in total darkness. They light up the whole backyard. And then if you turn it on again, it lights the body up and it becomes a floodlight or a lantern. And if you click it again, they go off. They do run on 3 AAA batteries in the bottom. They're super cute. They have the little carrying handles. And these guys are a lot of fun. I'll go ahead and spin it around for you so you can see what the back looks like. If you're into camping, if you're taking your little ones fishing, or if you're just letting them play indoors inside a fort, or if you want something cute just to put by their bed so they can get up and turn it on to find their way to the bathroom, or if they get scared, they have a light source near them, this would be perfect for your little ones. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.